Hello, I'm Jeff Mertz, design editor at Wood Magazine, and I'd like to talk to you about a project we have featured in the July 2008 issue, and that's this Mission end table. Simple round design, very classic arts and crafts project. We took a little bit different take on it though. Instead of putting wedged tenons and lots of complicated joinery, we made this part of our Basic Built series. It's a great looking project just as it is. And there's a couple things if you wanted to elaborate on the style you could do. But let's talk about what the Basic Built series is and how it applies to this table, and then we'll talk about some options that you could do in the future. The Basic Built series is built on the fundamental that you can go to the big box store or your local home center and in just a weekend typically build a project. This definitely fits the bill. One of the nice things about this project is everything's built with home center dimension material. We used 1x4s for the legs, 1x3s for the cross rails, and also glued up two 1x3s together to make the feet. The panels at the bottom and at the top can be done a couple different ways. You could edge glue a bunch of boards and then cut them out, or you could buy a pre-made, pre-glued up panel from your home center. And then just with a jigsaw and sand smooth, or we also show you a neat little technique on routing so you route that perfect edge on there. There's also a couple joinery options. You can join the leg to the cross rails using two different methods, both using screws. One is drilling and plugging it with wood that matches the direction of the grain of the leg that you're driving through. These simple round plugs, pound them in, sand them flush, you virtually can't even notice they're there. Another thing you can do is use square plugs. Here, you drill the hole about 1/4 inch deep. Drill the pilot hole, then using a chisel, cut out a square, and then put a wood plug inside. What I find is by cutting the plug just a touch thicker in dimension than the opening you've cut, and then sanding the edges of the plug so it just fits in nice is a great way to get that done without having to be real particular and real perfect with your chisel cuts. One thing to be cautious of, when I'm building a project that has a wide panel like this top, it will expand and contract as the seasons occur. If you put 4 screws in and firmly attach it, you could split the top or cause other damage in your piece. Wherever you're drilling a hole or driving a screw where the wood can move, you want to make a slot. To do that, drill 2 holes, and then you can just angle your drill and kind of clean out the area in between. That way, when you drive the screw, and make sure you use a washer, you'll firmly attach it to the top, and as the top moves, that washer will keep it from binding, and it'll have the slot so it'll allow for that wood movement to occur. I hope you build a Mission end table, take advantage of the Basic Built series, and good luck in your shop.